Hello everyone, welcome to Fun Molecule. So with this new series, we are going to learn R programming, especially for biologists because I'm also a biologist and we know that sometimes we need to learn R programming and it will help us in different projects. So it's good to know some of coding, some programs, and for biologists, I would suggest R programming is best as you begin and so let's get started. I am going to teach you everything from scratch. Today in this video, first we are going to install the R Studio and the data we want in our R programming installed in our system. Then we are going to see how we use it, the basics, and step by step the process and the introduction. Everything I'll let you know. And after that, that we will get to understand the basics of the R. Then we are going to write and program and run it for our learning. So let's see how much we can cover in this video. And one by one, we will going to learn everything that is important for a biologist. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is directly you can write RStudio because that's what we want to install. So you are going to install it for your desktop from POSIT and you will get this RStudio here. So there are two options, install R and install RStudio. So never get confused, you need to download both of them. This is the program and this is the studio. So you are going to click here and it will get started downloading right here. And you will also click this and then you get to this page. So first of all, let me pause this downloading because I have already did it. I just showed that to you. And to download R from this page, you can see you can download it for Linux, Mac OS, whatever your software you're using, and right there. Then install R for the first time if you're doing it for first time, and download R 4.5.1, and here you will get it started. So I have both of them downloaded in my system. So you will just download it, install in your system. Then let's see, I'm going to give you how it's going to be. Here is your RStudio. This is the data you are going to need. So it's getting started. Okay. So right here you have the interface of RStudio. So you have the four quadrant here. This is top left, top right, and these are the two bottom ones. This is the quadrant where you are going to give your input. You are going to put your query, you are going to write your program, and then you just run it, and this will be the console here. We are going to call it console. This is where you get your output from the input you have given here or anything you have run, and then you give the command of control enter and you're going to get the result in here. And this top right quadrant will be calling it the environment, and you will get the object or data frame you want to see. So you will get it from here. This is from my previous project, I would say. And here the bottom quadrant you will be getting the files, the plot, the packages. I will let you know how you get the packages, the different data for your interest, and the help. That is also an important thing in RStudio. The viewer, the presentation, and everything you will get here. So first of all, I am going to tell you, if you are new, you stuck somewhere, and you want to know how this is work and how this we are going to use it. So if you need any help, the RStudio itself is going to help you. So let's just say if your query should be put question mark, and let's say you want to know about me. Control plus enter, and here you can see it here. It will tell you everything about arithmetic mean, the description, its usage, the arguments, the value, how you're going to use it. It will give you the example also. So anything you write the question mark and put your query, and you will get the all details in the help here. Okay, so let's say we are going to start with some basics. Let's just say 5 plus 4 and control plus enter. And here you can see this is your result. You can see 5 plus 4, you can also use it as calculator, and we are going to see the different variation of this. Let's say we are assigning A, this is the sign, if you assign something, so you are assigning A as 5 and B as 6. Let's keep it 4. Okay. Then what we'll do, we want the sum of A and B. And you will see control plus enter. So as you put it, you will select it and then run. The data will be here, as you can see, and then right here you can now do the control plus enter, and you will get the result 9 here. You can also do A plus B simply, and then control plus enter. This also will be the 9. And let's do some more interpretations, as in ages. You are going to do this and see your concatenation, giving it the C stands for that, and then you are going to use this. Then let's say now you are doing this again, you are going to select it and run it, so your data will be loaded here. Then you can put your formula, sum the ages, just that, and control plus enter. You can see the 5 plus 6, the ages, and you'll get the result here. So like this, step by step, we are making it more interesting. Then let's say names, we are going to give it 2 names, as first, don't forget the concatenation. Then the name could be Dipti, and you are also going to use these comma to specify your function. These commas are used to give functions. And okay, then let's say Once you started doing this, you will get used to the steps. You won't be confusing the things that you want to run with this. Name and ages. These we did the ages, and also here we are going to get this in data frame. So data frame. When you're doing the data frame, you don't need the concatenation. Okay. So I guess now just select these and run this data. These are some small set of data. I'm using it to make you understand. And as you can see, there are some errors, so we are going to fix that error. Okay, the problem here was I put the name instead of names. So let's do it again. And I hope I have fixed the error. Exactly. So you can see it, I have solved one problem. So anyway, you get stuck or you get any problem, you can comment down and I will solve it for you. And you will get to understand. Don't afraid when you do some mistakes, because it's part of learning. If I can learn it, you can also learn it. So now that we have loaded our data, now what we're going to do is let's view our data set and view friends. Now, as you click on Control plus Enter after doing giving this function, you will see the names here, the ages here. This is the data frame, and you can also see the environment here. In this is the environment. You can see you have given the two objects, the and two variables for friends, and one A defined as 4 and B for 4, the ages, the number. So you can see your data table in that console. We are going back in here because we are going to few more things and it will be okay. So now that we have given the function view, now we can also give the function structure. As you can see here, structure for friends, then control plus enter. Now you'll be able to see in here, there will be the names you have given, the ages you have given, and the variable, the objects, everything you can see. Now, as we have seen in this table, that we have two columns and two rows, and now we are going to use that. If you have some big data table and anything else, and you want to see the specific part of some details and you want to collect some data, what you can do is for particular variable, you can use the dollar sign as friends and the dollar sign and ages. Then control plus enter. You can see the ages will be 5 and 6, the only ages. If you want to get only names, you can also do that. And let's uh, get one more interesting thing. Let's say FI friends and we want to we are going to use the square bracket here. Now Let's say you want to see the first row and the first column. You will just write it, control and enter. You can see this is Dipti, the first row and the first column part. If you want to see the first column and left it blank. Now you can see the first row completely. That's Dipti and 5, the age, and you can also do it like that, the square bracket, the blank, comma, the blank. Oh, sorry, that's control plus enter, and you will get the both of the data. You can give the instruction for column 2 or for row 2. You can do anything with that. Let's see the whole second row, and you get the data here. That's the So you can put the data, you can retrieve it, you can give output, you can get the results. These are some very small examples I have given to you, and it's good for beginners to know what all you can do. There are a lot more many things, and I'm going to cover that in my series, the next videos, and then we are going to run a program related to biology with some DNA. I'll let you know. And I hope you understand. I hope you are interested to learn more things about R programming. That's not very difficult. It's when once you start getting to know the functions, and it will be easier for you. And if you get any bug or if you get any error, you can comment down. I can help you, and you can also use the help in here if you want to know about something. And the symbols you are upgrading for now is not going to be a big deal because you will get used to it. So I hope you understand with this video. Stay tuned and learn R programming. It's going to be useful. Thank you.